Let me show you how to make the easiest chicken teriyaki. You can use whatever chicken you have, anything easy for you. I have about 500 grams of chicken breast. Dice your chicken and transfer it into a bowl. Combine the chicken with some mirin, brown sugar, soy sauce and corn flour. The exact measurement is on the description down below. Mirin, brown sugar and soy sauce are key ingredients of teriyaki sauce. If it's hard to find mirin, you can substitute it with some rice vinegar and sugar. If you want to make it authentic, add a little bit of sake into the sauce. Marinate this in the fridge for 2 hours, or if you're already starving, you can just cook it straight away. Don't wait too much. So once you're ready to stir fry your chicken, slice an onion and finely mince a knot of ginger. I also chop 1 spring onion for garnish, totally optional. Heat your oil medium-high, add the onion and ginger, stir fry for a minute or so until fragrant. Then add your marinated chicken. Save this leftover sauce, we're going to save it. Cook the chicken for 2 minutes on its side. Stir fry the chicken for another 2 minutes, making sure it's fully cooked. Then add the leftover marinade sauce. Stir fry until the sauce thickens and nicely coats the chicken. Garnish with spring onions and sesame seeds. There you go.